I cannot believe you guys are sleeping on becoming rich in 2024. Well, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got some eye-opening facts to share with you. Did you know that a staggering 63% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $500 emergency? It's time to take control of our finances and become financially literate. Financial literacy is crucial for navigating the complexities of everyday life. From budgeting to saving and investing, having a good grasp of financial concepts can make a world of difference. Let's dive into some of the common financial challenges that people face. Budgeting, saving for the future, and making smart investment decisions can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and tools, we can overcome these hurdles. To improve your financial literacy, I've got 8 practical tips for you. Start by tracking your expenses to understand where your money is going. Setting financial goals will help you stay focused and motivated on your journey to financial independence. Achieving wealth and financial stability is a goal many aspire to, but it requires knowledge, discipline, and strategic planning. Here are the 8 essential financial literacy tips to help beginners set themselves on the path to becoming rich in 2024. 1. Understand the basics of personal finance. 1.1 Budgeting. Track your income and expenses. Know exactly where your money is coming from and where it's going. Create a budget. Allocate your income to essential expenses, savings, investments, and discretionary spending. Use budgeting tools. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Every Dollar can help you stay on track. 1.2 Saving. Emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure consistency. 2. Debt management. 2.1 Understand your debt. Types of debt. Differentiate between good debt, mortgages, student loans, and bad debt, credit cards, personal loans. Interest rates. Know the interest rates on your debts and prioritize paying off high-interest debts first. 2.2 Strategies for debt repayment. Debt snowball method. Pay off smaller debts first to gain momentum. Debt avalanche method. Focus on paying off the highest interest rate debt first to save money on interest. 3. Increase your income. 3.1 Side hustles and gigs. Freelance work. Leverage skills like writing, graphic design, or consulting. Gig economy jobs. Consider driving for Uber, delivering food, or other gig jobs. 3.2 Career advancement. Ask for a raise. Prepare a case based on your achievements and contributions. Seek promotions. Show initiative and take on additional responsibilities to move up the ladder. Continuous learning. Invest in education and certifications to enhance your skills and earning potential. 4. Invest wisely. 4.1 Understand investment options. Stocks. Shares of ownership in a company that can appreciate over time. Bonds. Loans to companies or governments that pay fixed interest. Mutual funds and ETFs. Pooled funds managed by professionals that invest in a diversified portfolio. Real estate. Property investments that can generate rental income and appreciate over time. 4.2 Develop an investment strategy. Diversification. Spread investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. Long-term focus. Aim for long-term growth rather than short-term gains. 4.3 Retirement accounts. 401k or 403b. Contribute to employer-sponsored retirement plans, especially if there's a company match. IRAs. Open a traditional or Roth IRA for additional retirement savings with tax advantages. 5. Financial planning and goals. 5.1 Set SMART goals. Specific. Define clear and precise financial goals. Measurable. Track progress with specific metrics. Achievable. Set realistic goals based on your financial situation. Relevant. Ensure goals align with your overall financial objectives. Time-bound. Set deadlines to create urgency. 5.2 Create a financial plan. Net worth statement. Calculate your net worth by subtracting liabilities from assets. Cash flow statement. Monitor your income and expenses to ensure positive cash flow. Budgeting and forecasting. Regularly update your budget and financial forecasts. 6. Protect your wealth. 6.1 Insurance. Health insurance. Ensure you have adequate health insurance to cover medical expenses. Life insurance. Protect your family's financial future with a life insurance policy. Property and casualty insurance. Safeguard your home and assets with appropriate insurance policies. 6.2 Estate planning. Wills and trusts. Create a will and consider setting up trusts to manage your estate. Beneficiary designations. Ensure all beneficiary designations on retirement accounts and insurance policies are up to date. 7. Educate yourself. 7-point financial literacy resources books. Read personal finance books such as Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Podcasts. Listen to financial podcasts for ongoing education and inspiration. Online courses. Take online courses in personal finance and investing. 7.2 Stay informed. Market news. Keep up with financial news and market trends. Tax laws. Stay updated on tax laws and regulations to optimize your tax strategy. 8. Monitor and adjust your plan. 8.1 Regular reviews, quarterly check-ins. Review your financial plan and goals quarterly to track progress. Annual reviews. Conduct a comprehensive review of your finances annually. 8.2 Adjust as needed. Life changes. Adjust your plan based on major life events, such as marriage, having children, or changing jobs. Market conditions. Adapt your investment strategy based on market conditions and economic outlook. Finally, becoming rich in 2024 requires a solid foundation in financial literacy, disciplined saving, strategic investing, and continuous learning. By setting clear goals, managing debt, increasing income, and protecting your wealth, you can build a secure financial future. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, be patient, and make informed decisions to achieve financial success. Start today and take control of your financial destiny. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel for more financial tips if you have not subscribed. Share your success stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're taking charge of your finances. Together, we can all become more financially literate and secure our financial futures. Watch the next video, and thanks for watching.